Kathryn Hills here again from the EUPISD Lifespan Program, and today I'm going to be making the Michigan Harvest of the Month Supreme Mashed Potatoes. These are my family's go-to mashed potatoes for any special event, and I thought that you guys might like to try them for maybe some holiday gatherings you might be having soon or any other time of year. Okay, let's give these supreme mashed potatoes a try. The potatoes are a great source of vitamin C, great for boosting your immune system, and the carrots are an awesome source of vitamin A and beta carotene, both of which are great for good eyesight. I think you'll like it. Try it for your next holiday gathering.